We're making a Finnish meatloaf with oats as a binding ingredient.
Which is interesting.
Yes.
Yeah.
So in that bowl you have 2 deciliters of oats, 1 deciliter of water, normally 1 onion, but we're using onion powder.
Which is this?
Yes, so there is 1 tablespoon of onion powder.
Okay.
Now we're gonna add 2 eggs.
If you're finding value to this video, share and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. It does really make a huge difference to the channel. This is so tasty. Using the oats was quite interesting the first time we did it. 1 tablespoon of
Dijon mustard. 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. We don't have soy sauce, so we're going to use chicken stock, concentrated liquid chicken stock that we use in Sweden. Very good. 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and the minced meat we're using is minced pork and beef, half and half. Beef because it's tasty, pork because it's more moist, not so dry.
Yeah. So we put this in.
Yeah. So now it's just a matter of mixing. So that's everything nicely mixed. And now we're gonna put that aside because we're gonna add butter to this so it doesn't stick. It's a non-stick, but hey, a bit of extra butter have never hurt anyone. So adding butter, and we're gonna line the ramekin over the tin with streaky bacon. We take the first one, put it lengthways in the middle, then cut them in half, and then you and then you do them sideways. A bit overlap.
Like that?
Yeah. With a bit of overlap.
Like that?
Yeah. Right. Normally, if you were to do this in a ramekin, you would put the mincemeat, cover it with ketchup, and then put bacon on top. Now, because we are using a loaf tin, we have to think backwards. So this is going to be the top. So now we need to put the ketchup on top of the bacon.
Yes.
And then the mincemeat on top of that. Because then when you flip it, it'll become right.
Yep. And you see how we turned our ketchup upside down to get every last bit of it.
That would be enough to start with.
So?
And now it's just a matter of brushing.
I'm like Picasso. Let me do my painting.
So I guess if you don't have ketchup, I guess you could use barbecue sauce.
Yeah.
But ketchup is the original.
Yep.
I guess if you want to be adventurous, you could put some chili powder or cayenne powder or something in the ketchup if you want to do that.
Best not to put too much ketchup because when it starts to cook, it becomes a sauce actually. Remember last time?
Yes. The last step before putting it in the oven is to put the mincemeat in the loaf tin.
It will mold easily into this thing, into your bread loaf, right?
Yeah.
It's so soft like that. I think it's the oats that made it so binding.
So yeah, it's binding well, but yet when it comes out, it'll be moist
and yeah.
You want to have it even across the whole, because otherwise one end is going to get thicker than the other one and take longer to cook.
Yeah. And what are you serving this with today?
Today we're having this one with mashed potatoes, we're having a red wine sauce, and we're having a cooked beans, green beans, haricot vert, on the side.
Why did you tap it?
To get the air bubbles out of it.
Okay.
There, done. We're going to put this in the fridge with cling film, and then in a couple of hours we're gonna turn on the oven and bake it.
So this is actually good also if you want to make it a night before and then keep it for when you come back from work. You just put it straight in the oven, innit?
Or if you have guests, you can prepare it in advance and you can just chuck it in the oven when the guests arrive. That upside down.
How many minutes was it in the?
It was there for half an hour now. It's going to go in there for another 10 minutes.
Okay, so you want me to just turn it upside down?
Yes, just upside down.
Ooh,
There.
nice. So what do you do now?
Remove that tray.
Okay.
We're going to turn on the grill setting. Yes.
No, it's okay.
So now
Yeah, it looks really good.
this
That's
one
it?
is going to go back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Bon appetit.
So it's done.
Yeah.
Your
Meatloaf
yeah.
with oat, as shown before. Mashed potatoes, red wine sauce, haricot vert,
What's that?
green
Green
beans.
beans. Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
it.
And we've
Bread and
got
butter people have seen before.
my mama-in-law as well. I know she's shy. She's got lovely hair. So yeah, we're about to eat. No. If you're finding value to this video, share and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. It does really make a huge difference to the channel.